If you ever spent hours manually scraping websites or paying for outdated lead lists, you already know how broken lead generation is now. But in this video, I'll show you how to use AI to your advantage to find and generate the best leads for your business. I'll show you how to find leads based on your ideal customer's profile and how to reach out to them with hyper-personalized cold emails that you don't have to write yourself. And this isn't just another Apollo or Clay tutorial. By the end of this video, you'll have a full system that can run 24/7, find qualified leads, send outreach on autopilot, and book sales calls for you. So let's begin. We'll be using something called leadsforge. It's like ChatGPT for lead generation. Now, instead of fiddling around with a bunch of filters, all you do is chat to it as if it's your friend. As you can see here, it says, please describe your ideal customers. All right, you can mention their industry, size, location, then I know what companies to focus on. So that's literally all we want to do is say leadsforge. Okay, I want marketing managers, 250 employees. All right, let's see what it says. It's analyzing, unraveling the mystery of your leads' hidden potential. And right away, it got us a sample lead list that we can take a look if it's good for us, right? So we have, it's a company, Funbox, right? Philadelphia, they do financial services. They have 181 employees, exactly what I said, under 205. We already have 261 leads. Now, does this look right? Yes, it does. Can you add companies as well? Right? We want more leads. See, now we have 1,611 leads. It added more we can look through, right? Now, if we want, we can go to the filters and filter down even more, like use it like any other lead database. But this is only optional if you want to do that, right? Because again, this is unlike any other lead database. You don't depend on your own search. You don't have to fiddle around with these filters, play with different knobs as if you're in an airplane cockpit, you know? It's simple. And now, all we want to do, we have it already, right? We just export leads, select how many we want to export, and start export. As you can see, it's exporting. Contacts are getting crispy, just like the perfect strip of bacon, right? Very nice. And what's beautiful about this is that it also validates the leads for us, right? We won't need to validate leads, use external software to do that. And we'll not be reaching out to invalid mailboxes, because if we just bought a lead list from Apollo or script ourselves and we reach out without verifying, our emails will bounce, our deliverability will suffer, our whole infrastructure could get cooked, right? And we would lose 2 weeks of warm up, a lot more, all the reputation we built, and however many dollars you spend on your domains and mailboxes. And as you can see, we have exported the 50 leads that we wanted. Now, like I said, I will also show you how to write personalized emails for each of the lead. And you do that by simply going to Salesforge. Now, you don't need to copy or download the CSV. You click export to Salesforge. And now once you have exported your leads to Salesforge, you'll see all of them in the contacts tab, right? Now, what you want to do to write hyper-personalized cold emails on autopilot without you actually writing them is go to sequences, create new sequence, create new product if you don't have one. And this could be whatever your product is, Salesforge, sales technology, right? Whatever you're selling, here you add information about your product, your ideal customer profile, lead gen, agencies, sales managers. You add your real product name, the pain it solves, the cost of inaction. So what does your lead lose if they don't use your product? The solution, how does your product solve the pain point you mentioned, and the proof. So like case studies, testimonials, whatever it is, and you set it up, do it diligently, right? Look at the suggestions you see right here. Analyze if needed. For example, this is super short, right? I'm just doing the example. Once you set it up, just save it and you'll have it right here. I'll go back to the sequences, name your sequence, select the product we just created, import the contacts we just had, right? So select all, add 50 contacts. We don't need to validate them because the app already validated it, and click generate with AI. Right? You'll see a fallback template. Basically, fallback template is the email template that will be sent if your lead doesn't have information that the app could use to personalize the email. So like website or LinkedIn profile. So set this up just in case, save it, and then you'll be able to adjust the settings of how to generate the AI written email. And you do that super simply. So you can select either to use LinkedIn profile or website or both. Then select the tone you want to use. Let's do hilarious. Use dynamic languages if you want, which is basically AI will use your product prospect's native language to get even higher open rate and reply rate, right? So of course you want to turn this on and go next. Now you'll see the preview of AI written emails, the hyper personalized emails. As you can see, this is the email fully generated, fully personal to Frank. Ever felt like all the emails just vanish and take your leads with them, right? Well, this is how hilarious tone, right? But as you can see, it has a case study, all of the good stuff, and all of these emails will be unique to each recipient, which boosts your deliverability, boosts your reply rate. They are personal based on your product and information about your prospect, and you don't need to write anything, right? You got all of this. You then click next, select your sending hours, add your mailboxes, adjust the settings, and you're good to go. Now, if you're even too lazy to do this, I suggest you learn how AI sales agents work in this video.